Westinghouse Lighting 66450006 Light Bathroom Light. Westinghouse Lighting 66450006 Light Bathroom Light is an exemplary lighting fixture that combines style, functionality, and quality craftsmanship. Designed by Westinghouse Lighting, a trusted brand in the industry, this bathroom light offers a unique blend of elegance and durability. The color of the 66450006 light bathroom light is beveled mirror, which adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom decor. The beveled mirror finish creates a sleek and modern look, making it an excellent choice for both contemporary and traditional bathroom designs. Constructed with high-quality glass, this bathroom light fixture ensures optimum performance and longevity. The glass material not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the light, but also adds a sense of luxury to your bathroom space. The bath bar style of this Westinghouse lighting fixture is perfect for illuminating larger areas such as bathroom countertops or vanity mirrors.